So listen, my priceless family, am I the only one that dreams of food? Well, anyway, I'm going to Walmart. I'll come back home, do a quick shopping haul, and prepare a quick lunch. So you know what to do. That's right. It's a haul and a recipe all in one. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. Let's get it. Let's go. So at Walmart, we started off with this 12-pack of yogurt, strawberry and peach flavor. And eggs, they're coming back down, so we purchased 60 eggs. And Mom and I, we were supposed to drink these in the car. Lemonade and mango lemonade. 2 4-packs of tuna. Some sun-made raisins. Had to get some bananas. This 12-pack of ice cream sandwiches. Frosted bite-sized shredded wheat. That's from Mama. This 4 cheese tray. Some gummy worms. Oh, that's for me. Peanut butter bars. Yeah, had to get those. And some honey buns. Some red apples. Some Granny Smith apples. A box of elbow macaroni. And yeah, this is Mom's Ritz. And then I bought Ritz too. We were on, in the store shopping different places, but we came out with Ritz. Some sour cream. And my favorite, bread and butter chips. These are so good. Some sweet relish. Some mayo. Celery. A gallon of whole milk. Some tropical punch. Strawberry lemonade. And that's all from Walmart. Then I hopped on over to the Dollar Tree. And these are my absolute favorite candy, Mary Jane. No, this is not food, but it's on there. Yeah, that's not food either. 1 pack of breakfast blueberry biscuits. A pack of coconut breakfast biscuits. 2 packs of Act 2 Butter Lovers popcorn. And 3 boxes of drink mix. And some Sunkist fruit snacks. So yeah. And now it's time to make lunch. What am I making? Yeah. I was in the mood for some tuna salad. So let's make lunch together. I'm using 4 small cans of tuna. And make sure to drain your oil or water to avoid a mushy tuna salad. Next up, take a fork and flake your tuna. I have 4 hard-boiled eggs that I grated. Yes, you heard me right. I used a grater. See how fluffy it makes my eggs look. Next up, add celery. Celery, well, you can dice them as big or as small as you want. It's your preference. But celery, it adds texture and crunch, not to mention a fresh flavor. I also added about 2 teaspoons of sweet relish, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, which adds a bold, tangy flavor with a kick of spice, and mayo, because mayo is our binding ingredient in our tuna salad. I'm starting off with a little bit of mayo. You can add mayo as you need to, but you cannot take mayo away. Salt and pepper to taste and mix well. Always taste and adjust as needed. And for a creamier texture, again, you can add more mayo. Today, I wanted a buttery croissant tuna salad sandwich, so that's what I made. But of course, you can opt to have your tuna salad in a lettuce wrap or served with Ritz crackers. The choice is all yours. Thanks for joining me for a quick grocery haul and lunch here on the Johnson Ranch. And if you're new, well, consider joining my Prices family. Make sure to hit that subscription and click the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Not a tuna lover? No problem. Check out my rotisserie chicken salad sandwich right here. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.